Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kumpulan kami akan membentangkan tajuk untuk case study 2 presentation. Kod khususnya ialah DFN 40253 Cloud Computing. Pencarahannya ialah Izzati Izni. So, nama saya ialah Muhammad Izzuddin bin Muhammad Ali, nombor metrik 25 DDT 19F2042.
So, saya Nur Syarafina binti Mak Bakri, nombor register number is 25 DDT 19F2029.
Okay, my name is Nabila Udan binti Musa. Okay, nombor pelataran 25 DDT 19F2002.
Okay, introduction ialah one of the most comprehensive and variously welcome cloud platforms. Amazon Web Service (AWS) offers Amazon EC2 services, which is by far the most used service among all the services provided by AWS. Amazon EC2 allows users to launch and conduct server instance management at all required time effectively. Question A, demonstrate the difference between building a deployment that use Amazon EC2 and using a fully managed service such as Amazon RDS to deploy your solution. The first is Amazon EC2 for administration, full control over your database, OS, and software stack. It allows you to hire your own database administrator. They will help you manage your database by looking after backup, replication, and clustering. For Amazon RDS, is easy to set up, cost effective, and allow you to focus on more important tasks. And next is AWS takes full responsibility for your database. The entire process of configuration, management, maintenance, and security is automated by AWS. Okay, so next is the availability. You have to set up your database for high availability. For Amazon RDS, a highly available relational database, it's automatically creates a primary DB instance and replicate the data side by side to a standby instance in a different availability zone. So the next step is control. Offer complete control over the system, and so for the Amazon RDS is you don't have control over the system.
Okay, backups. You have to take care of backup and different and offer automatic backup can get snapshot on demand and keep them reused as long as you wish to. And compatibility. Support Aurora's SQL server, MySQL, MariaDB, Postgres SQL, and Oracle. And different dia can configure any database you want. And question B, prepare to discuss the advantage and disadvantage of develop server on Amazon EC2 versus developing on Amazon RDS. Okay, Amazon RDS advantage simplified scaling in comparison to on-premise database, and disadvantage no automated configuration management, and advantage encryption at rest and in transit, and disadvantage downtime required for scaling operation, and automate additional storage allocation, and disadvantage CPU and storage performance is not guaranteed, and advantage automate patching faults downtime, and advantage point in time recovery. Disadvantage zero data loss is not guaranteed.
So next is Amazon EC2. The advantage is reduce the need for expensive. As next is exercise other AWS solution. Next is ability to secure and deploy service on the run. Next is deployment and test environment. The last one is higher performance computing. So for the disadvantage is price variation. Next is general issue. Next is uncontrollable downtimes. Next is network is not as flexible as other provider. The last one is service size and regions. Next is conclusion. Before getting started with AWS, understanding EC2 in AWS is very important. Now that you have understood briefly the basics on EC2 in AWS, your next step will be to learn how to create an EC2 instance. The step follow a very simple and easy understanding. Therefore, get going with the next step. If you are looking for an extensive course in cloud computing, then the 5.5-month online postgraduate certificate pro- program in cloud computing offered by Jigsaw Academic can be of help. This program help interested learner become complete cloud professionally. So reference is from Amazon, medium.com, Amazon Cloud. And next is Sarah's Analytic. So the last one is pagekit.com. So only that. Thank you.